This is my KH26 with the Schlumpf geared Unicycle hub, and I want to quickly run over some of the actual technicalities of this machine and how it all fits together. Fundamentally, it's got this specialist hub in the wheel that allows the cranks to turn the wheel at two different speeds. At the moment it's in the high gear, which is this section. The gold button has been pushed in, but if you press this, then the wheel turns round 1 to 1 like a normal unicycle, but as soon as you engage that gear, the wheel turns around a lot faster. Well, 1.5 times effectively is the gear ratio. This is a piece of kit from Switzerland and allows you to travel at a lot greater speeds than you would normally on a unicycle. Why do I like it? Well, it allows you to ride more like a bicycle effectively. It gives you that cadence of slower pedal movements for the rate of the wheel turning. But the skills involved with this fit into a couple of categories, like the balance envelope for the wheel is a lot smaller and more precise. The torque you get from pushing down on the pedals is a lot more for every bit of pressure you apply, and so what you're getting is a totally different unicycle to ride. So this Jazzy is, as you know, the Chris Holm unicycle with the Schlumpf hub, and what I think would be worth mentioning is, how do people ride this? Like, what are the core things that enable you to ride it? Well, first of all, you have to be comfortable riding unicycles in general, but then riding in high gear is the biggest challenge that I've only recently cracked. It's only sort of clicked in. Things I've done: I've got to know my tyre, I've got to know what it feels like riding in 1-to-1, what it feels like riding in high gear, and making sure that I control the speed when in high gear, varying my mistakes, and trying to never ride when too nervous, but never bail or give up when just finding it strange. And that is a hydraulic brake, Jazz. Yeah. But the next stage would be, how do people change? How do they change, Jazz? Well, they change by, as the pedal's going round, they push in to the side of the unicycle's crank and they push that button in. Florian Schlumpf, who engineered this, it's a planetary gearing system. I'll link below this video a great in-depth guide on how that Schlumpf hub is made. It's really inspirational for anyone who likes kind of technical things. You'll like it in the future, Jazz, I'm pretty sure. For unicyclists, this is probably the pinnacle of, like, as far as unicycle engineering can really go. But as for riding, it's the best of both worlds, because riding a 26-inch unicycle is quite nice for just casual cruising along paths, or muni if you're that skilled. I'm not that skilled, but it's a good all-round size effectively. But when you kick it into high gear, it's like having a 36er or 39er in your back pocket at the push of a little gold button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the path with the schlumpfing, guineaing, extraordinary tale of learning how to ride this wonderful 2-speed unicycle. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening, Jazz, as well. It'll be yours in the future, Jazz. You can ride it in a bit, all the way down this path. Yes. We'll have fun on this, Jazz.